Ladies and gentlemen, hi and welcome. In this lesson, I'd like to briefly talk about the structure of a typical SvelteKit project. For this overview, I'm using the SvelteKit demo project template that you can choose while setting up. Right off the bat, you can see that in the project's root directory, we have all of the configuration files such as gitignore, eslint, prettier, vite, etc. Besides that, we have two directories. The static folder is where all our statically served files will live, including images, icons, maybe sounds and so on. Then we have a source folder where the majority of coding will happen. When it comes to SvelteKit projects, only two things in this project structure are mandatory, and everything else is optional. The first mandatory file is app.html, and it's the initial page template, which is in charge of injecting all the script and link elements needed by the app. The second mandatory item is the routes folder, which is used by SvelteKit's built-in page router. If I open it up, you can see that we already have some routes created here. Routes are defined by the folder structure itself and by the page.svelte files accompanied with other page files, such as layout.svelte, page.js and so on, but we will get into the details about all of these a little bit later. It's worth noting that you can feel free to create other files inside of this folder, such as components for example, if they are only being used within that specific route. But if they are shared components, I actually prefer to have them in a separate components folder. Finally, the lib folder contains all your library code, including utilities, helpers, components, which can be imported by using the $lib alias, and this is going to be very useful later.